welcome to another episode of Kream Access as we take you behind the scenes working on this R34 Skyline. It's the R34 GTT and it's dressed up to look like a G-Car. It's one that we built a while back. It's now running over 700 horsepower, owned by a new owner, and it lives all the way up near Bournemouth. It's come back to us to have a load of work done. You may remember it from when we revealed it on stage to John, the customer at the time that we built it for. It was revealed at the Paul Walker Tribute Fast and Furious event that we did, and it was on an Arctic lorry where we revealed it to the customer for the first time. It was a big deal, but unfortunately at that time we weren't really doing YouTube videos, so we never got a build video, and that was on our YouTube channel. So this time it's come back in because it's going to the Essen Motor Show, and it's a big show, and it needs to have some TLC. It's got a few bits and crannies around the car that need to be taken care of. We've got a little shunt on the driver's side wing, which is going for insurance. So all in all, we're going to basically give the whole car once over, a full-on overhaul and respray the whole car in brand new liquid paint, and just restoring it to how it originally was when we first built it back then. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Today, take off all the car parts and make sure fiberglass. After filler, primer. After finish primer, paint all.
Today I'm going to be working on the Skyline R34 side skirts alongside Alex, getting it ready for paint tomorrow and sorting out any imperfections. Thankfully there ain't a lot to do on them, they're not that bad, just a little bit of chips here and there, but hopefully we'll be ready for tomorrow.
Okay, I'm doing some arches for this Nissan. Doing the filler, not very bad. It's gonna come shiny, ready, almost ready for primer, and we'll be ready soon to see the finish.
Today rub down my primer and tomorrow masking and paint. That's it.
And more fiberglass repairs today, Dave?
Yeah, it's going to do all these sills and bottom sills. It's all damaged in road. Just whatever they do on the road, really. And we're just re-strengthening where the bolts go. They're very, very flimsy. I don't know where they come from. But
Now I'm flooding with water and clean. After finish clean, I'm going inside, masking, boat clean again with panel oil and painting.
Lovely day outside, sunny, hot, working outside. In the time Pablo is gonna prep the car for spraying. Finished the arches. Yesterday was in filler, now they are on primer. Quite difficult to do all the details, but we're doing good.
Okay, so we are very close to getting some colour on the car, and I'm just assisting Mr. Bablu with masking the car up.
So today, as you can see, the headlights are murky and horrible. I'm stripping all the rubbers off, getting ready to prep it and put it through our crystal restoration program, and then putting a light smoke on top.
Okay, so the car has been beautifully painted, as you can see. Come out really, really nice, really clean. And this will be left as done finished, of course, because it's matte lacquer. Can't flat and polish it. But the plan for today now is demask this car and get all the door shuts, boot shut, all of that painted. And then tomorrow we can concentrate on fitting the car back together. All the parts have been painted, literally everything has been painted in the booth separately. And today is the last and final day for paint work, and we've only got the front bumper left to do.
Shuts have been painted in black satin. We're going to put the locks back in, door cards, rubbers, trim and windows. Black satin. Sounds more professional, Fred. Could even go satin noir. Bit of French in there. Bumpers all on, lights are in. Tighten the spoiler up, and then seal up just to stop any leaks. What we're doing there, bonding the side skirts on with PU adhesive, and should hold them on really good. Next job after this, we're going to put the gloss wheel arches on, get the wheels back on, and then we're going to put the front bumper on. Right, glass is in, side skirts are glued on, wheel arches bolted on, back end's completely finished, sleeves front bumper, bonnet, wheel arches, job done. Bumper's all been meshed up, fitted, lower splitters on. Now we're just rewiring the headlights, because as you can see, there's a lovely bit of wiring someone's put in there from before. So it's come off a iron or something. So new wiring, headlights are going in there, been tinted, very nice indeed. And we're putting them in there. Alright.
Right guys, so we are on the final stages of the car. The guys are here all the way from Bournemouth, waiting in the office. Car's completely built, the kit's on, the wheels are back on, bonnet's now gone on, final bit of lining up to do with that, and that's about it. And once that's done, we're going to take the car to the car wash, give it once over, give it a good clean and about it, and off to Bournemouth she goes. Very shortly she'll be going to Germany for the Essen Motor Show, which we are very excited about. It's one of the largest car custom shows in the world again, on par with SEMA and Geneva, but it's more of a modified car show. And we're hugely proud as a company that the car has been picked to be out there and on display. So unfortunately I won't be able to make it. As you guys all know, I've had a little boy, so my priorities are at home, and my brother's abroad himself. So unfortunately we're not going to be able to be there. To be fair, it's been quite tough, this car, because not that it was difficult to do, but because we wasn't actually prepared to take it on in the busy schedule that we had, but because of the fact that it's going to SN, which is a big deal for us as a company as well, we had to stop what we was doing and get the car done. We only had a 2.5 week window to give the car a full strip down, repair the entire front end, which had lots of cracks and damage and bits and pieces running that needed rectifying. The whole front end also needed lining up. We gapped it, sorted that out. It was a hell of a lot of work that had to be done, packed into 2.5 weeks. So it has been a labour of love, intensive, many long hours, long days have gone into it, and the results speak for itself. She is absolutely flawless and good to go once more. Okay, so the car's back from the car wash. As you can see, she's looking top.
Coming out of the way. Right, the car's now finally finished. Customers seem very happy. Take it to Germany for the show. I'm going to go now, once I get paid, obviously, and go and have a couple of pints. There you go.
Lovely job. Hey! Well, all in all, obviously we need to get the customer's reaction. This is Darren and his lovely wife. What do you guys think?
Absolutely amazing.
You happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Okay, so the plan is that she's going to Essen, Germany. Any more information?
Well, hopefully we do well. We'll enjoy yourselves and show off the boys and see what a good job they've done.
Represent Kream, yeah?
Yeah.
Job well done. Another one bites the dust.